Custom Diecast. Welcome to the garage.
Today in the garage, we're going to see if we can't build a 1/64th scale Fxs racing mower. One just like Dozer Dave, along with the official ALS mower and many more. And come join us at the ALS MOW DOWN Showdown, 4th annual, Saturday, October 9th. Now that we're at the PC, you can see that I designed the chassis, the hood, the fenders, along with some wheels. And somewhere in there, you can see that little bitty Honda single cylinder. Sorry boys, I ran out of time for the twin. It only took me hours and hours to design, but we got it. Time to send it to the 3D printer. Let's take this time to thank Dave for putting on this event. Thank you, Dave! Dozer Dave, that is. Yeah, I know. You're like, what am I looking at? But this is where the magic happens. Look at those. We got some chassis, we got some hoods, and we got some fenders. Here's all the parts off the printer, all cleaned up, all cured up, and ready to go. We got that little Honda engine. We got that hood. And we got a set of fenders and some wheels. You will see here, we got her all assembled. Got the little Honda painted, and we got the wheels installed, all 25 of them. I would like to thank everybody that took interest in these. They are on their way. October 9th, CHILLICOTHE, Ohio. The 4th annual MOW DOWN Showdown. Let's mow ALS. Let's do a little painting. Light coats, followed by some heavier coats. During this boring process, let's turn up some tunes. I'm back. Well, look at those. Nice and shiny. We got a couple of them painted. We got a lot more to go. We're going to have red ones, orange ones, black ones, khaki ones, green ones. About any color you can paint a mower. I think we got it. I think we nailed it. And I have just a few extras. So make sure you're buying a ticket. You might just win one of these. Well, now the fun part. Let's start making some cards. We'll start out by trimming them out. Hopefully I can follow this line and get it nice and straight. Time to get out the Elmer's Craft Bond. This stuff is sticky. We'll spray one side of the card. And then we'll stick it together. Well, look at that. Ain't that beautiful? Now we'll stick it in the t-shirt press, give it a little press, and make it nice and flat. Remember, October 9th, time to take this corner cutter and round these corners. I don't know if it's turning left or turning right, but we'll be turning left. Time to prepare this blister for install. Let's add some glue. Down one side, down another side, and we got 2 more sides to go. This stuff is sticky too. Alright, we'll put the mower inside, put the blister on. We'll try to get the mower in there. There we go. And then we'll give it a nice press and seal. We'll throw it on a little old turntable so you can see what she looks like. I think it turned out badass if you ask me. Dennis, this one's for you, buddy. Remember again, last time, October 9th, Mow Down Showdown. Let's mow down ALS at Two Brothers Raceway, Chillicothe, Ohio. And now, here's a look at the mower itself. Full custom die cast. We'll see you on the next one.